Are you ready to unlock the confidence of a perfect smile? Dr. Jennifer Cha, a leading dentistry expert in Pasadena, offers life-changing dental veneers that can completely revolutionize your appearance and self-assurance. These ultra-thin, custom-crafted porcelain shells are the ultimate solution for anyone seeking to correct dental imperfections and achieve a Hollywood-worthy smile. Imagine covering stubborn stains, chips, gaps, and misalignments with a single minimally invasive procedure. Beyond aesthetic improvements, dental veneers offer remarkable durability and stain resistance. They're a long-lasting investment in your oral health and personal confidence. Located in the heart of Pasadena, Dr. Jennifer Cha's dental office is your gateway to a brighter, more radiant you. Schedule your consultation today and take the first step towards the smile you've always dreamed of.